We are very proud tonight to have on our program a young woman from Saudi Arabia who has learned English in school, so she can sing it very well. And she will sing a song about mothers. And if there are any...
And something will be silly about the mother.
Yes, if there are any mothers in the audience who are very sensitive about topic of mothers, they should cover their ears.
But they won't.
You know,
They'll hear the song.
that's how the mothers are. Please sing your song for us.
Okay. There's a brother and a very stinky mother, and they all own a family of 13. Then when the dad comes in, then they're four. What should they do if they get any more? They should turn around, kick them out, dance around until they're up. Clara, there's a brother and a very stinky mother, and they all live in a family of 3. Then when the dad comes in, then they're 4. What should they do if they get any more? They should turn around, kick them out, dance around until they're up. Take their dynamite so they can't fight, then they will party, party. And that's the end of the song. Shut your eyes. The two people switch.
Oh! She's actually not from Saudi Arabia, even though... No.
We switched places first, and then we switched back places after.
Na toll.